What's going on, guys? It's your boy B1 Creates. Yeah, I don't know how to say this, but D-Roots has decided he doesn't want to do this anymore. So yeah, we decided to part ways. So from now on, it's just gonna be me and no, I'm joking. Boom.
I ain't going anywhere. I am not going anywhere.
Fam, this is hot.
Boy.
Oh, but yeah, rah, we've been away for time, fam.
Yep. 4 minutes.
What's going on? It's all your fault. I'll just say that.
Do you know what it is, yeah?
Go on live.
It's not.
Because that's what you're about to do.
Alright, so basically, it's just, you know.
Oh, yeah, so no, we went on holiday.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Certain man were moving mad, but we're not gonna. Get me?
Yeah. Obviously, for B1's birthday and that. So, yeah.
What's that, man? I'm your boy B1 Creates.
D-Roots.
And this is
Tour Kitchen. So
listen, this dish we're gonna make, yeah. When I tell you, yeah,
when I tell you,
it's simple, but like I don't even know how to describe. Like it just seems so intricate. It's not even about the flavor. It just seems so.
It's just
intricate.
the way, yeah. What we're gonna do.
The presentation,
That's
you know, the way it looks.
Ooh.
Listen, you make this for wifey. You make this for your man.
Everything.
Hey,
it's a nice dish.
It just looks good.
Yeah, like just the fact that the way it looks as well, it's just off the top.
Valentine's, birthday, if you want to impress. And we always say like if you want to impress, then make this. But this one right here, hey, this right here,
hey,
this shit right here, nigga. This shit right here, nigga. Right here, this shit, nigga. This shit here, nigga.
yo,
right here. Hey, I'm telling you. But yeah, like, oh, we haven't even said what it is.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Raw. Right. So today we're gonna be making Hawaiian pineapple fried rice. Ooh. Now I know we've had debates. Does pineapple go on pizza? Da, 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 da. This is different. This ain't pizza. So just watch.
Yeah, it's not the same.
Yeah.
If you're gonna say put pineapple in rice, it's not that. Just
wait. Don't worry. Stay tuned.
Trust me. So to make your Hawaiian pineapple fried rice, you're gonna need pineapple, rice, prawn, mixed veg, spring onions, sesame oil, and soy sauce.
So for your rice, yeah, you wanna pre-cook your rice. It's better to use day-old rice. So like if you make rice yesterday or the day before, use that rice to make the rice today. Do you get it? Back to the Future. Don't watch that. So yeah. Pre-cook your rice, have all your ingredients laid out, and you're pretty much good to go. Like this dish is gonna be one bam, thank you. Okay, so Hawaiian pineapple fried rice. This is what you need to do to make this dish. Obviously, have everything prepared, ready. Yeah? You don't want to be wasting time because ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So get your wok, your pot, your pan, whatever you want to use. You're gonna dash a bit of oil in there, whisk up 2 eggs, throw it in, yeah? Cook the eggs. If you want, you can season the eggs lightly, salt, pepper, whatever. Take your eggs out, now you're gonna add a bit more oil to the wok, dash some onions in. You could use white onions, we decided to go with red. Add some chili, you know, to give it a kick, a punch. You know, we like spice, like we always say.
Yep.
So add your chili, then you're gonna throw your prawns in. Now, you see with the prawns, we used pre-cooked prawns. You can use raw prawns, it might take just a little bit longer to cook, but either way, it don't make a difference. So add your prawns back in, and then lightly season it with a bit of blackened Cajun spice. just to give the prawns a little bit of flavour. You don't want to bite into a bland prawn. Do you get what I'm saying? That's a thing. So
you're not leaving that in. So after you've seasoned your prawns, then you're gonna add your spring onions and your mixed veg. And then you throw the eggs back in. Once you throw your eggs back in, then you're gonna add some dark soy sauce.
Yeah.
And that's gonna give it a nice little color into it as well. Then you're gonna add your pre-cooked rice into the wok, pan, whatever you use. And then you're gonna add sesame oil. Once you've thrown all of that in there,
get your James
that's
Harden
it,
on.
trust
You know
me.
what I'm saying?
Get your James Harden on.
I've been in the kitchen, whipping.
Get as much of it coated, all the rice as possible. Get everything in there.
It needs to be evenly mixed up.
Everything, just all the flavors just come together as one. And once you have done that, you're gonna add the pineapples you've already cut out from the pineapple itself.
Yeah.
Throw that back in as well. Give it another mix. Nothing too much, but just give it another mix and
Just a
then,
light, you know.
and then
Hey,
finito.
you're done, baby.
Done.
That's it. Literally, that's
That's
it. It's how long? With everything like pre-made and all of that,
It don't take long.
no more than 15 minutes.
Yeah,
I promise
it
you.
does not take long at
It's
all.
quick, man.
Especially when you're walking it, it's just, hey,
You know.
just
so
going for it. If you can do them with the walk too, hey,
I don't think.
man, you. Come on, I went, hey, shout out to people that know walk to walk in Amsterdam. Banging.
So does they let you flick the
Yeah,
walk?
fam, just do that.
Anyway.
And when you know when the rice goes out and comes back
Wait, have you
in?
seen that meme
Which
of
one?
that guy? He's got a massive wok, bro,
Nah.
and he's like,
Oh, yeah,
and the rice is
yeah.
flicking,
Yes,
bro.
exactly.
I need to find
It has
that.
to
That thing
flick
is-
back. Yeah, I've seen that, yeah.
But yeah, your dish is pretty much ready, man. Like,
Perfect.
enjoy. Like, what?
Yeah.
That's
ready,
it.
ready to dish.
So, this weekend's Bank Holiday weekend. Bank Holiday Monday's coming up. Carnival.
If you got work on Monday, sorry for you, get me?
Who would have work on Monday? Actually,
If you work in retail,
Yeah, so-
if you work in,
Yeah.
I don't know, but just
Get your coins. Get your coins.
yeah, it's true. But
Get your coins.
hopefully you've got evening shift in it or morning shift.
Yeah,
Or
morning shift.
That's
Yeah,
what you need. I'm praying
Carnival,
for you. Trust me.
Carnival, yeah, it's gonna be all out popping. Yeah, you
Hey.
can catch us, Talk Kitchen.
Go on, we do it. Hey,
Oh, how do you say
that's it. Hey, we
Hey, catch
there.
Talk Kitchen at Carnival.
Yeah, we there.
Hey, do you know what though? I saw a video on Insta. Some girl was like, I don't want to see
Oh,
if you're not
other
Caribbean,
flags, yeah.
if you're not Jamaican. Her accent was butters as well. If you're not Jamaican, if you're not Caribbean, I don't want to see you at Carnival. I don't want to see you in other group. What?
You don't
Is it that
discriminate.
deep,
You don't
like?
discriminate.
We can't come Carnival, fam.
That's crazy still, like. Carnival, you gotta enjoy it.
Listen, don't discriminate, man. Carnival's for everybody,
It's-
man. You can't even say if you're not Caribbean. We're in the UK, man.
Trust me.
Do you know what I'm saying? Like,
gotta
this is
enjoy
a
it.
melting pot of bare different cultures.
The weather is going to be banging.
Stay safe on Bank Holiday weekend.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy yourself. Don't
Drink too much.
don't fumble. Don't
But
drop your
if
ball.
you see me, and to be honest, I barely drink. Like,
Listen, if you see me, shout me innit. I'm approachable.
You can come to me, but I don't drink too much, innit?
If I show them this this thing that you want to go and buy, I
But
say
yeah,
don't drink.
I'm good. But yeah, nah, enjoy Carnival.
You know what I'm
be
saying?
safe.
Just come shout me. It's nothing.
But
me.
I said, if you're watching this after Carnival, hope you enjoyed Carnival.
Hope you enjoyed this dish.
Yeah, exactly.
But wait, we haven't even enjoyed this dish.
See, even true.
Hey,
Alright, cool, it's time.
okay.
Do you know what? Yeah, I beg you pass that shit up, please.
It's not every day, bro.
Because, hey, just apply up something. Blood fire.
Wow. Man goes gym, you know.
Chocolate.
Juggling.
Yeah, this is this.
Let me do it.
No, man.
Watch me bang this thing over.
Good. See? I'm not banging, fam.
Fam, that took the power of
my leg.
4 Iron Man cheese.
Hey, sugar.
The presentation of this dish, yeah? I'm telling you, bro, it's fire.
Once you add something. Oh la la. Oh. Yeah, chili.
The chili was a good shout, fam.
See the way the pineapples taste in the rice? The way the rice flavors and the pineapple juice, when it comes together.
Ooh, this is banging. This is banging. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing in front of you guys. But yeah, man, that's the end of this episode. Thank you guys for watching. We know we've been away for a minute. We're gonna try and stay consistent. Keep banging out episodes for you lot. But yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. Follow us on the IG, tool_kitchen. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell, you know. All of that, man. Tell your friends to tell your friends, like we say every single episode.
Yep, to your parents too.
You know.
So they can tell their friends, to tell their children.
Exactly.
All of that. Share.
And yeah, man. I've been your boy Beyond Creates.
I'm D Roots.
Thanks for watching Tool Kitchen.
Peace.
Peace.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching Tool Kitchen.
Yeah.
Please like and subscribe. Share the videos. Also follow us on the IG. That's tool_kitchen. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
If you have any suggestions or stuff you want to see us cook, send us a message on Instagram or just let us know in the comment section and we'll definitely get back to you. Thanks again for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.